Okay, here we have the MultiCam 3000 series CNC router. This has the 4 vacuum zones, the 5x10 table, the 8 horsepower water-cooled spindle. It's got multi-vision, a couple of knife systems, an 8-position automatic tool changer in the back, the easy-to-use MultiCam handheld interface. And right now, we're just gonna do a test cut in the air, so you can hear the machine moving around, the spindle turning on, and performing a rectangle. Okay, one more thing I will point out is that this does come with a brand new 25 horsepower vacuum pump. You can see it in the corner right there. We'll do another video with that plugged in and running, but that's gonna be a nice addition to this 5x10 table to have that 25 horsepower brand new vacuum pump going. Also, you can barely see, but right here, you've got your misting system hanging there on a zip tie. It's never been used. It's got the Unist automatic misting system. We'll take a look at the back of the machine. You can see that canister hanging on. It's never been filled with oil, so it's clean, brand new, never used. So if you're gonna do the thicker aluminums, that's a great addition to have, and this machine comes with that automatically. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just run a quick program here from the keypad while that air compressor in the background fires off. It's a 15 by 15 inch rectangle. We're running at 600 inches a minute, 12,000 RPM, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the go button now. Hear that spindle fire up, very smooth, very quiet. Did have a recent spindle full rebuild. You can also hear very smooth in X, Y, and Z. And there you go, quick sample program. Just the first video out of the box here to show you this machine is functional, running, powered up, and ready to go. Thanks for watching. You know what, we're not quite done yet. I do want to do an automatic tool change for you just so you can see that happening. Easiest way to do that is right now it's currently got tool 7 in it. You can see based on the T7 right here. So I'm going to say let's surface, and we're going to surface tool 1, and then we're going to hit enter. And now this machine is automatically going to go put 7 away. Grab number 1. And it comes back to where it was before. So that's just a real quick look at the tool changer, just so you can see that that's functioning and working as well. Once again, this is the MultiCam 3000 5x10 CNC router. Thanks for watching.